Hello students, today I am going to explain the common example for chemical change. Okay, the common example is rusting of iron. Yes, what is rusting? What is rusting? What is meant by rusting? Rusting is nothing but the formation of brown powdery material on the surface of iron in the presence of moist air. Yes, rusting means what? It is a formation of brown powdery material on the surface of iron in the presence of moist air. Yes, that is rusting takes place in the presence of moist air. Moist air, that means yes, moist means what? Moist means what? Yes, it will have some water. So we can say the process of rusting takes place in the presence of water and oxygen from air. Oxygen from air. Oxygen from air. Yes. Iron, when exposed to moist air, gets converted with a layer of brown powdery material. Yes. Okay, that brown powdery material is formed on the surface of iron is called rust. Okay. And the brown powdery material formed on the surface of iron is called rust. Is called rust. Okay. That means when iron reacts with oxygen and water, forms a new substance, is called iron oxide. Okay, rust is nothing but iron oxide. This brown powdery material formed on the surface of iron is called rust, and the rust is nothing but iron oxide. Iron oxide. Okay. That means the process of rusting can be represented by an equation. By equation. Yes. Please listen. Iron reacts with the water and oxygen from air. Oxygen from air forms iron oxide. Okay, iron oxide is nothing but rust. Rust is formed. Okay, you know that rusting of iron is a chemical change, as you cannot get back iron from iron oxide. During rusting, a new substance, iron oxide, is formed. Okay, hence we can say that rusting of iron is a chemical change. Okay, and this process, rusting of iron, is also a slow change. A slow change and quite undesirable. Yes. Why rusting is undesirable? because the rust destroys the iron articles. The rust destroys the iron objects. It goes on reducing the iron. And so the bridge or ship or car or truck that is made of iron becomes weaker and weaker. Yes, damage due to rusting of iron causes heavy losses to the national economy. Therefore, rusting should be prevented. Rusting can be prevented by not allowing moist air to come in contact with surface of the articles made of iron. Okay, then let us study some important methods for the prevention of rusting. First method, by applying paint or grease. A coating of paint or grease on the surface of metallic object prevents its rusting by not allowing moist air to come in contact with the surface. Okay. Then second method, by galvanization. What is meant by galvanization? Coating of an iron object, coating of iron object with a thin layer of zinc is called galvanization. Okay, galvanization is the process of coating of iron object with a thin layer of zinc. Galvanization of iron prevents its rusting. Galvanized iron sheets are used for roofing and for making buckets, drums, etc. Okay, yes, these are the important methods for the prevention of rusting. Yes, then what is meant by rusting? Rusting is the formation of brown powdery material on the surface of iron in the presence of moist air. Then what is meant by rust? Rust is nothing but iron oxide. The brown powdery material formed on the surface of iron object is called rust, and this rust is nothing but iron oxide. Okay, then the common methods used for the prevention of rusting. Number one, by applying paint or grease on the surface of iron object, and number two, by galvanization. Okay students, goodbye, study well.